Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, tap on Manage Notifications. Then choose Sort next to App Notifications and click on the best option for you. In my case, Buy Time. When you're ready to block notifications from one of your apps, tap on the blue switcher next to it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!